I'm gonna go to optics, so it's the same. We go to wave optics. So I'm gonna go to a course which I show the process what goes through in order to renew courses on MUELE. So we go to colleges here, and when you tap on it, a whole bunch of those colleges show up. You can choose the tough way of going through the process of going to Canas. And when you go to Canas, all the schools show up, and then you go to the for example, I'm working on an external course. You go to external, and then you choose the academic year. The course I'm trying to work on is a third year course, 31111, wave optics. So that means you would go 3, and then it is a semester 1, then you go to semester 1, and then you look for wave optics, and wave optics would be here. But this is really hectic, and then you keep scrolling and whatever. So we could have just come here and say PHX 3111, then hit the search button. The courses show up. This course is that was developed for MasterCard, under MasterCard funding, under the DDD project, and then this is the course that has been running for Enano. So you scroll to these red parts here and choose what you want to do. You could go to backup quickly to whether you want to hide it or restore. So I will start with the view so that I can take a glimpse of what the course is, what is on the course so far. Yes, there are a couple of stuff on the course. That's not my interest. My interest is now to so you go to more, then you go to reuse, and then you come here, and the first thing is to back up the course. In case somebody who is teaching it is different and the other one was given to it again, they can get to the backup, restore the course, and do whatever they are supposed to do. So we shall keep the course logs. Course logs show how the course was, who logged on, when, what did they do, and because of time and doing this for the purpose of continuity, we can now jump to the last step. It takes a couple of minutes depending on what you are, how heavy it is in terms of the materials on the course, the files, the assignments, the whatever. So when you back up, the backups come up here. So it was backed up in 2022. There is another backup in 2015, which you can download, which you can restore, because the Moodle platform under which MUELE is based, you can even download an offline version and access MUELE offline without internet and browse through the course, enjoy the course, do assignments, play around with the course when you're actually offline. So we've backed up, now we want to reset. So we go to reset. So under reset, we go to the dates and check here to make sure that the dates come up. And if you want to help, this shows you that the date determines the start of the first week for the course in a weekly format. It is also the start of the date for logs of the course activities, when the students go in, if a manager of the system accesses, or any other supervisor. If you reset the course and change the date, all dates in the course will be removed in relation to this. So this helps you to track the course and how everything is going. So the semester will begin in August on 12th at Monday. The freshers will be reporting on the 3rd, Saturday. 10th, Saturday, continuing students come, and then on the on the Monday, lectures begin. So we start the course there 2024, and we say this starts at midnight, and so students can go there, and then semester ends in December. Then marking by December 31st, everyone should have been done with the course. The instructor should be the one to be able to access the course and do whatever else he is doing, grading and the like. And then we shall make sure that goes up to the last day or last second of the year. Then we are resetting, so there could have been students on this course, or they are, and then we say we wanna remove them, but it will tell you what it is all about. So the other things, if you wanted the grade book to be changed, so roles, there were only 2 students. Other things have not, dates have changed because now it is a new, we reset the start of the course. So the course has been reset. We check out the participants. The participants were 2. We removed 2 students. The only person that remains is the lecturer. The lecturer is okay. He has last accessed this course 1 year and 210 days ago. And then we come here to make sure that we allow students to enroll. So we say enrollment methods that are available to this course. And under these enrollment methods, we want to activate the self-enrollment. So this one seems to be scrambled, so it was hidden. I delete it, and then this is manual. Normally, like for a lecture, may attend the first lecture, students register, and then can use that registration list to look for the students online on the system and enroll them himself or herself. Self-enrollment, as long as they know. So we go here. This is, you can hide it, you can delete it, like we did for the one which was available. And these are the settings for the enrollment. So keep current enrollments. Well, we removed them already for the other, but yes. Then this is the enrollment key, which is the same as the CAS code for ease. But once everybody is enrolled, you can change it. You can add the letter, add the figure, change it completely if you don't want people just to enter because they know it is the course code. And you must be keen here of who are you enrolling. Who should be able to. If you put here as a lecturer, they come in, have rights, and can organize your staff or disorganize you if you are not careful. So the other things are basically like this one here, notification threshold. You really don't want to have issues with students. So here you put a 0 and all things will be comfortable. In how long before enrollment expiry should users be notified? Shouldn't be bothered. So here we check, and then we've already said the semester begins on the 12th. It is in August. It is in 2024, midnight, 31st of December 2024 at night. I mean last second of the year. Then we have comfortably now, and well, notification threshold. We can put one week, but I don't know why that. So notify before enrollment expires. Never. So this one goes if you don't put this, and I think this is the best, because you notification of enrollment would be if you are using the system to run like a short course, or if this was a fully paid course online, that you have to know that there will be an unenrolling you or something of the nature. But for now, you really don't have those issues of an enrollment. So here everything has been done. We check settings of the course to be sure that the course is in the exact dates which are here. It shows, people can search and see it. Then you can put here the description of the course, and then the format, whether it is topics or weeks, the download here, all these other things. You can check them out and be sure of what is what and which is which. And for now, I'm not into the files and into these things. When completion is whatever groups, or the groups, if you want to group your students, like for our case, science and education. If the course is being taught by default, we got a lecturer. If you want to call them person, professor, fine. If the students, you don't want to crowd them into the word students, you can change it to learners or participants. It's up to you, so you don't have to be restricted. So we have reset the course. We can check out the course, and now once you are done, if you want to do it for another course, then you go back to colleges and you search for the course you want to change. You follow the same procedure: backup, reset, and then assign to if the instructor before was is not the same as the one now. So I hope you now know how this can be done, and each of the simple steps for doing something, I'll be doing this screen recording so that you are able to follow up and do it on your own. The next one will be how to make a certificate, and so that people can make a certificate of completion for students that is automatically. And then we shall also do on the question bank, how to make these questions on MUELE and dump them in a bank where you can always pick and administer a quiz, a test, an assignment, whatever you want. The rules are clear. Okay, I wish you a nice time. I remain BFT.